Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing your current plan on Netflix to a different one. Netflix has 3 different tiers of pricing, which each give you different benefits. I'll show you how to change to a different plan if you are an existing member. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. On Netflix, log in to one of your profiles. Now tap your profile image at the top right of the screen and then select Account. Here on your account page, it shows your plan details. For me, it says I am on the standard plan. Click the Change Plan button. You can now choose which plan you want to change to, either the basic, standard or premium plan. Select the one you want and then click Continue. Click Confirm Change on the pop-up. A confirmation message will appear letting you know you've successfully changed your plan. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Netflix tips and tricks.